What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, you're dealing with cash money, guys. You're going to be making this beautiful design of cash money. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and let's hope into making this money. So you'll require the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll also require beads, the seed beads, size 10 seed beads, and a nail cutter, of course, for cutting your fishing line. And once you have these materials, you can start. You start by using the right angle weave. Also, there is a right angle weave pattern PDF that I have that mostly I do design on first before I start implementing any new design, so that way it's easier for you to get the design perfectly once you start working on it. So as you can see, we've started with the green and black beads, and our design has already started. We've started the first line, the first column. That's what we are making right now, which has got green on both sides and then black at the center. So that's how we have started our artwork, and it's coming up slowly but sure. And if you would also want to have something like this, you can reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below, so you can be able I can be able to share with you the PDF on the right angle weave pattern, so that you can also be able to draft before you start working. And also it helps make your work easier. If you've been doing this, you know how easy it will be for you to have the pattern. So if you don't have the PDF pattern, kindly reach out to me. I will send it to you where you can print it out, and then there you'll be able to draft your work before you start working. As you can see, our column, we are on the second column, and we're working our way up to the third one. And I'm really grateful for all of you guys who have been sending back your feedback, all the inquiries that you've been given, the suggestions. I'm grateful for you guys. Most of what you guys keep on giving us feedback is what gives me the strength to keep on making more videos for you guys. So kindly keep the comments coming. Also, I'm really proud of those of you who have been able to take up the challenge to be able to do some designs by themselves, and some of you have sent them to me. I've seen your work, and also I've shared with other people. If you would want to see what other people have been able to do, kindly check on our community tab, where I mostly post upcoming projects or designs done by other students. So you can check them out on our community tab. As you can see here, we are making some very beautiful progress. The beauty about beadwork is that it's something that anyone can do. It's a very easy project to start, and the materials are cheap to get, and also you can do this regardless of what time or age you are in, because you can start this as something like part-time when you have your free time. Let's say 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can just get your beads, try sketch something out. You can even start with plain colors, just making a simple one colored bracelet or ring, something simple. And we do have tutorials on the beginners beading. Kindly check them out on our playlists. You can be able to see how to begin the right angle weave and step by step tutorial that I would really recommend for you if you are a beginner. And this is a very possible project for those of you who don't believe they can do. I just challenge you to get some beads from your local store and check out some of our tutorials that are more simpler and step by step, where you can begin with simple colors, just one or two colors, as you progress on to more complex projects like this one. This one might be slightly more complex for someone who is a beginner, but if you have practiced beading the right angle weave for a while now, this is just a walk in the park. So that's why I've provided this video, so that you can see how sort of like a roadmap on how you will go about making this money symbol. And I really appreciate all you guys who watch these tutorials and all your feedback. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, pause the video, go down to the subscribe button, make sure that you've subscribed, liked these videos, so that we can keep making more videos for other people, and also that our content can get to much more people out there who would be inspired or who would love this type of content. So you can even share with other people on your via WhatsApp or other groups, so that people can get to see this type of art. So here what I'm doing is I'm making the dollar sign, the S and the straight line that passes between it, and it really looks amazing. So the concept here is the green part is the cash money, and then the white part with the dollar symbol is a sort of like a strap that we've used to hold our money with. So that's because it's a big bundle of money, so it had to be strapped in with now this white piece. That's generally the whole concept of this design. And you can use this design sort of to be a key holder or a necklace pendant, or you can even suggest to me what would you use this design for. You can let me know down on the comment section below what you guys would have used this design for. Also guys, I would like to remind you that we have a playlist where we get to showcase some very beautiful designs of our artwork in very short video clips that range between 30 seconds to 2 minutes at most. So there, what I'm trying to do there is to show you the variety of designs and products that you can be able to do with beadwork. And if you see something that interests you there, you can suggest that we do a tutorial on the same if you would like to see how it's done. So kindly go check out that playlist where we have samples of our artwork. The playlist name is called samples of our artwork, so you can be able to see some very unique and beautiful designs of our artworks. And then once you see them, you can be able to either replicate them on your own or suggest for me to do a tutorial on the same. Okay, so as you can see here, we are done making this beautiful dollar sign or the money symbol that you're making today. And once you're done doing this part, you're supposed to make the second one so that you can have two pieces, and then we can join them together to have that 3D effect. Okay, and this really looks beautiful in person. With the color combination that we've chosen here, I feel it comes out perfectly, though I would like to know what your suggestions are, if you feel this color combination is okay, or what other color combination that you would have used. I'm also looking forward to seeing your trials. I really love seeing what you guys have been able to make from this tutorial. So if you manage to make something, kindly reach out to me. The link to my contact are down on the description below, so you can be able to share with me your work, and I can be able to share it with other people. And as you can see here, we are joining the two pieces into one 3D and this is something that we've been doing over in the past. So you just add one bead and then you pass the fishing line like what I'm doing here on the left, and the fishing line on the right, and then you add another bead and then you crisscross like that. So we basically repeat the same thing over and over again until we are done doing the whole two pieces. So you just add one bead, you you crisscross, pass the fishing line on the right through that bead there, you pass the fishing line on the left through the other bead, then you pick one bead, you crisscross, and then you repeat the same thing. So we're going to repeat the same over the whole piece like that. And as you can see, it's having some very beautiful outcome. The progress is amazing, and I hope you can get to see this uh, perfectly. So one reminder that I would love to remind you guys is that um, I have private classes that are more comprehensive, slower, and step-by-step guidance is provided. And also I can tailor make the classes to your preferred requests. So for those of you who have requests on how to make some custom pieces, you can now reach out to me. The contact information is going to be down on the description below, so you can reach out to me. And as you can see, what I've done here is I've added a piece of plastic so that the 3D piece can have some more flesh, or can be more rigid or sturdy, so that it's not that flexible. This is an optional thing. It's not a must for you to add the plastic in there, but I just thought to put it there. You can just use any random piece of flat plastic that you can find in your house or anywhere. So it's also a nice way of recycling plastic. And as you can see here, we are almost done. The only piece that I'm left with here is just adding the keyring, and our artwork looks amazing. I would love to know what you guys would have used this cash money design for. Would you use it for a necklace, a key holder, or what would you use it for? Kindly let me know in the description below, and I really hope to see you guys on our next video. Thank you so much.